Hey, what's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to give you a copy and paste method to start making money with affiliate marketing. Since January 23rd, I started this brand new campaign that's now produced nearly $19,000, which is roughly $790 per day in the past 24 days. And what I want to do is I want to allow you to duplicate this whole entire process. Essentially, what we're doing is we're using YouTube. And I'm using my YouTube videos to promote different affiliate products in the description of my videos. So what I'm going to allow you to do is actually download these same videos from a Google Drive, upload them to your own unique channel so you too can start generating results like I am. Let me show you some of the results, not just on this Google Doc here, but actually live in each of these income streams and in each of these accounts. You can see MIF, which is known as multiple income funnel. This is the first income stream. You could see I had one check for $666. If we go over to commissions, it's going to make me log in again. Looks like it won't make me log in, which is good, but we can scroll down here and you can see $468 and then yet another $900 there. So if we add up all these numbers in that one income stream, that's roughly $2,034. In the next income stream, we're at $10,200 since let's go from the 23rd of January to today. And this is going to show $12,711. $2,500 of that actually is not profit. So we're looking at 12,200 roughly there in all honesty. And then MLGS 1207, which is $1,207. And the last income stream in the system, $2,704, you're seeing right here. And then we also made some extra revenue from Google AdSense. So we can actually jump over to the good old Google AdSense earnings right here on my YouTube channel. And you're going to be able to start earning money like this too as well once you set up your YouTube channel and get to your first 1,000 subscribers. See 2823 right here. So things are looking really, really good for this specific campaign. And what I want to allow you to do is copy this campaign. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to upload the videos exactly as I show you. And then in the description of your YouTube videos, you're going to be able to put affiliate links, just like the affiliate links, for example, in like this video right here. So all these different links right here in the description of this specific video are affiliate links. When people click on those links and they make a purchase, that's where I'm earning the commissions that you are seeing right here. So let's walk you through this step by step and click by click. So step number one is you need access to each of these products. And there's a very easy way to get access to all these products. There's going to be a link in the description that will take you to this page right here. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, watch this video, click this button and click on I'm ready, set up my system. Fill out the order form here. And then once you do that, you're going to get into the back office right here. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and you're going to watch this video. You're going to join the Facebook group. Okay. And then you're going to complete step two, which is setting up all your different income streams. So follow me here very closely. It's very simple. Watch step one, watch step two, watch step three, and watch step four. Watch all the videos in these different categories here, and then complete the on-screen instructions. Once you do that, you are nearly set up and ready to go. There is one step after this. The next step is that you're going to want to create a My Lead Gen secret account. This is going to be an account that allows you to get 100 emails per day that you can send out to people so you can start earning right off the bat. So we're going to be earning through email marketing, and we're also going to be earning by uploading my YouTube videos that I give you. So to be able to send out those emails, you need this My Lead Gen Secret online software. So when you click the link below, which is going to be one of the steps, you're simply going to come to this page. You're going to click on Use My Secret Now. You're going to enter your email address. You're going to fill out the form, and you're going to log into the members area right here. And I'll show you exactly what to do in this video once you are logged in. But we're going to leave this right here for just a moment, and we're going to jump back to the next step. So up to this point, we have set up our multiple income funnel, right? We filled out the order form. We completed all of these steps right here. And make sure, of course, you've completed step 1. You've completed step 2, which is this page right here. You complete step 3. And then also make sure that you complete step 4. Step 3 is so you can get paid. And then step 4 is just simply a back office tour so you can find your affiliate links and you can start sharing those affiliate links. Okay, once you do this and you're all set up, now you're ready to share your links in the description of your YouTube videos. For example, here is one of my YouTube videos that I uploaded along with the description. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and start downloading my videos. Now, at this step, there's going to be a link below that will take you to yet another video that will show you how to set up your YouTube channel and also how to upload these videos and how to customize them. It's going to be very, very simple and step by step. Once again, all the instructions are going to be below this video in the description, step by step and click by click. Now, once you start uploading your videos, you're going to also be sending out, as I stated, emails through My Lead Gen Secret. So I'm going to give you an example of an email to send out. And the cool thing about this is all these emails are completely done for you. So I'm going to jump over to the proper Google Doc, which should be right here. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to send out an email. Now you could see that so far we've got roughly 14 or 15 emails here. It looks like we have 14. You're going to start on email 1, okay? Since I've been following this case study for some time, I'm going to be sending out, obviously, one of the latest emails down here. But again, there's going to be a link below in the description that will give you access to this Google Doc. So you can just simply copy and paste. And we're going to show you exactly how to do that right now. So I'm going to click on Create Message. I'm going to click on Select All. We're going to go ahead and we're going to enter our subject. Okay. So I'm going to jump, let's see, I'm going to send the latest email I haven't sent out yet. So let's send out, which is one that I have not sent out yet. I believe it's email 12. So we're going to copy this. We're going to go ahead and jump back over to My Lead Gen Secret. We're going to go ahead and paste it. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump back over to the Google Doc, and we're going to copy the body here, and we're going to paste it right here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight all of this bit right here. We're going to go ahead and delete, and then we're going to go ahead and paste. And then we're going to go to highlight the whole thing once again. We want to unbold everything, and we'll go ahead and remove some of the spacing so it's nice and neat. Then we're going to put our name down here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab our multiple income funnel affiliate link. So we're going to jump over here. We're going to go to links, and we are going to scroll down here. We're going to wait for this to load. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to find this VSL link right here. We're going to go ahead and highlight it and copy it. And then we're going to jump back over here and we're going to go ahead and obviously delete this specific hyperlink that's here, and we're going to replace it with our own. So we just went ahead and clicked this button here to delete. Now we're going to click this button here to create our own. And then we're just simply going to click on OK. And then we're going to click on perfect timing. And then we're going to click on send email. Now the beauty of this is we can use all of these different email swipes here to promote multiple products. And when we talk about multiple products, we're talking about any of these income streams right here. Now, once again, keep in mind that all of these income streams are inside of multiple income funnel. Remember when we went to the start here section and step 2 and we set up all these different income streams. So all the income streams that you see right here are going to be all the income streams that you see right here. Now, the beauty of multiple income funnel is that it sells all these different income streams for you. That's the whole purpose of this specific system, is when you set up these different income streams, you're embedding your affiliate links in these different categories here. And when people go through these different categories, these different products, and set them up, you get paid a commission when they set each of these up. Same exact way that you did. And that's how I've been able to create such massive results so quickly. And you're going to be able to duplicate this whole entire process. So again, what you're doing is you're duplicating my exact YouTube traffic strategy. You're duplicating my exact system, duplicating my YouTube videos, all of my email follow-ups, and everything in between, so you too can start earning up to $3,000 in commissions per customer. This is super powerful, you guys. This is something that you can duplicate, still very, very new. We're 24 days in. So all you need to do is complete the steps below in the description to go ahead and get started. Start uploading your YouTube videos, start sending out your emails and MLGS, and start earning the big commissions that you see here. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.